You saw the question, now here's the answer. In my opinion, it makes perfect sense to pay a little bit more for a CPO vehicle, certified pre-owned. And yes, the car is still under factory warranty, but in most cases, the manufacturer will give you an extra factory warranty on a CPO vehicle. What I mean by that, let's say the factory warranty on the brand new car is 3 years, 36,000 miles. When you do a CPO vehicle, when the dealer CPOs the vehicle, they go through this process of kind of almost making sure the car's like brand new, perfect brakes, perfect tires, everything is just spick and span on the vehicle. The manufacturer will push out that factory warranty from 336 to, let's say, 4 year 50. Now it depends on the manufacturer and their program, but to me that makes it worthwhile right there.